The tool that I chose was Kahoot. I find this to be a very useful tool in the classroom because it gamifies the learning experience for the student, but also allows the teacher to keep the students engaged. With this tool, you'll see that there are different options that you can use to be able to gamify the information that you're presenting as an educator. In the home menu, you can see that there are different options for different areas of learning. It also allows for you to create practice tests. It also integrates AI, and you can sync it with Google Slides that you've already created. So this can integrate any of the learning that you've already have in your classroom. There's also an option under the Discover tab where you can look for additional information, and this covers everything from Wikipedia to the news to Marvel, Star Wars, even the Oxford University Press. So this will cover all levels of education from K to 12 and beyond. In the library here, of course, I don't have anything yet, but it will store all of the information that you've already created so that you can use it from year to year. And it does store any of the purchased content that you've created. In your reports tab, it will have all of the reports from any of the students that you've had do any of the games that you've created. It'll show your reports here. In your groups tab, this is where you can assign different groups. You can have different groups collaborate, and then you can also have them compete against one another. And then you'll see here own groups, and then if you've joined any groups as well. In the marketplace, this is where you can purchase additional content. And again, it's going to cover general knowledge, math, science, language learning, geography, history, and it goes through all these different topics, and then you can purchase all of this. And again, in your library, this is where it will store all of that content. In Access Pass, again, this is if you've purchased the different types of access for it, because there is an option for just you as an individual, or the school can purchase an access pass for multiple teachers, or if you want to get with your fellow teachers and subscribe for an access for multiple teachers, where you can save some money to be able to use that over multiple different classes. And here, after we let it load, this is where you will see the games. I don't have any started, but this is where you will get to see all of the games that you have created. And then all your channels. And this is where these are already pre-made Kahoots for different topics. And these have already been pre-made and saved by other individuals that have shared that for everyone to utilize. I think Kahoot would be a great option for the classroom because you have the ability to create content based on what you're already learning in class, and depending on the age range or the group that you're doing it for, or just a fun thing for them to do in their off time just to keep students engaged throughout the day.